Hi guys, today I'm going to buy coffee for my new Nespresso machine. Let's go inside the store and see what I will choose. Hi, hello. Each time I go inside the store, guys, I feel like I'm going to jewelry store. Store very nice. So I choose these two flavors. The first one is the double espresso scuro, and the flavor taste is the maximum one, the strongest one. It's called like grade 11. And the second one, it's called Puro Organic. As per them, this 100% Arabica as well. I really love the packaging, and the taste of this one, it's grade 6. So this one should be not so strong like the first one. Let's start and see. I really like the packaging. They have really nice and fancy packaging, and they really go for the details. Really nice. So let's do the coffee. So this machine name Nespresso Vertuo Next, and we can only use this size Vertuo capsules. This is one shot espresso. Okay, let's prepare the milk now. I fill it till the max line. Now the milk is ready. Let's do our latte. I like to use this mug because of the base. So it's easy for me. I just put in the base and then carry it with the hand. Yes.